In this video, we're going to give you a brief demonstration on how to navigate Open Janela. First, click on the icon. After it loads, enter your username and password. There are two areas we want to focus on in navigating Open Janela. The first is the buttons to the top right. The first one is the user button. If you click it, it'll take you to your user information. Down at the bottom, if we want to edit it, we can hit the pencil sign or the edit button. And it will allow you to change your password, change your email address, or your phone number. Be sure that after you've made any changes, you hit the Save button. The next button is the Home button. By clicking the Home button, no matter where you're at in Open Janela, it'll take you back to your home page. The next button is the Email button. If you were to use the email function inside of Open Janela, you can manage your email messages here, and it'll also show the attached documents that were sent out through Open Janela. Next is the Refresh button, which is used on our factory floor. And then finally is the Logout button. Because you're dealing with remote servers, if you should happen to become disconnected with those servers, you may have to reset your computer by logging out and logging back in. Once you log back in, it'll take you back to the home page that you started from. The next set of menus we want to look at is the drop-downs at the top left. Not all of these drop-downs will pertain to you. It depends on the role that you play. Everybody will have access to the Customer Service tab. The Customer Service tab is where we manage our customers. The first one, Customer Management, will take you to a list of your customers, your quotes for those customers, any projects, any orders that were placed, and confirmed orders. Going back up to the menu, we go back to Customer Service and Document Management. Document Management is a place where you can search any of the documents for any of your customers at one time. It has a filter section down here where you can select search, either choose an order number, a PO, a reference, or a customer, and then search for those specific customers. Please note that the filtering will be done based on what category you're in. So you need to make sure that you've highlighted the correct tab here on the left and make sure that you're searching the right category. So if you're looking for an order versus a quote, go ahead and click the Ordered tab and then start your search functions. And that's it. In future videos, we'll show you how to input a quote from start to finish. For more information, please visit us on the web. Thank you for watching.